In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove free shipping on WooCommerce 2026. If you're updating your online store and want to stop offering free shipping, or you just need more control over your shipping costs, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step. We'll be working directly inside your WordPress dashboard, so make sure you have admin access to your site before you begin. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the WooCommerce option in that menu. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it. A submenu will appear with several options. From that list, click on Settings. This is where all the main configuration options for your store live, including payments, accounts, and of course, shipping. After the settings page loads, look toward the top of the screen for a row of tabs. These tabs might include things like General, Products, Tax, and so on. Click on the tab labeled Shipping. This will take you to the area where WooCommerce organizes your shipping zones and methods. On the Shipping tab, you'll see a table listing your shipping zones. A shipping zone is basically a group of locations, like specific countries or regions, where particular shipping methods apply. In this table, there's a column labeled Shipping Methods. Under that column, for each zone, you'll see which methods are currently active, such as flat rate, local pickup, or free shipping. Look carefully through your list and find the shipping zone that has free shipping listed under the shipping method column. This is the zone that's currently offering free shipping to your customers. Once you've identified it, move your attention to the right side of that zone's row. There, you'll see an option to delete that zone. Click on Delete for that zone. When you do this, a confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you really want to remove it. This step is important because deleting the zone will remove its shipping settings, including the free shipping method. If you're sure you no longer want to offer free shipping in that zone, confirm the deletion by clicking OK in the pop-up. After confirming, the shipping zone with free shipping will be removed from your list, and free shipping will no longer be available for customers in that area. You can repeat this process for any other zones that are still offering free shipping. Once you're done, your store will only use the remaining shipping methods you've configured.